Hello everyone! Can one small bottle really give you smoother, shinier hair for up to 5 washes? Today I am testing the CHI Keratin K-TRIX 5 Thermal Active Smoothing Treatment to see if it actually lives up to the claims. Let's get started. This is the CHI Keratin K-TRIX 5 Thermal Active Smoothing Treatment. It's designed to help reduce frizz, improve shine and protect your hair from heat styling. The formula is activated by the heat of your blow dryer or flat iron, creating a smoother finish that can last through several shampoos. The application is pretty straightforward. After washing and towel drying your hair, spread a small amount evenly from the mid-lengths to the ends. You don't need much, a little goes a long way. Then blow dry your hair completely before using a flat iron to activate the treatment. One thing I noticed right away is that the cream is lightweight, it doesn't leave my hair feeling sticky or greasy, which is always a plus. The scent is fresh and salon-like without being overpowering. If you enjoy professional hair care products, you will probably like the fragrance. As I was styling my hair, it felt softer and easier to manage compared to using a regular heat protectant. After styling, my hair looked noticeably smoother with a healthy shine. It also felt softer to the touch and had less frizz, especially around the ends. The finish looked polished without making my hair feel heavy. Of course, results can vary depending on the hair type and condition, but for me, definitely made a visible difference. Overall, I think CHI Keratin K-TRIX 5 is a great option if you are looking for a lightweight smoothing treatment that also provides heat protection. It's easy to use, smells great, and helps create a sleek, salon-inspired finish. If you regularly blow dry or straighten your hair, this product is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. I have also added the product link in the description. If you'd like to check it out, please click on the link and buy the product. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review. Bye bye.